Ever wondered why Chinese cuisine tastes so different across various regions? Well, it's all about diversity. China, a country of vast landscapes and diverse climates, offers an unparalleled richness in its culinary traditions. Each region has its own unique flavors and cooking techniques, resulting in a multiplicity of dishes that leave one spoiled for choice. Take Cantonese cuisine, for instance. Known for its light, subtle flavors, Cantonese chefs emphasize preserving the food's original taste. They often use a variety of fresh ingredients and cook them in a way that highlights their natural flavors. Think steamed fish with ginger and spring onions or stir-fried vegetables. Then there's the fiery Sichuan cuisine. Sichuan food is famous for its bold, pungent and hot flavors, thanks to the liberal use of garlic, chili peppers and the unique Sichuan peppercorn. It's a cuisine that's certainly not for the faint-hearted, but for those who love a good kick in their food, it's pure delight. Moving to the northern part of China, we have Shandong cuisine. With its proximity to the sea, Shandong cuisine features a lot of seafood. The dishes are typically hearty and robust, with a preference for braising or quick stir-frying. And let's not forget Hunan cuisine. Known as the land of fish and rice, Hunan province offers a cuisine that's as varied as its landscape. Hunanese food is known for being dry hot, as opposed to the numbing hot of Sichuan, and often incorporates pickled and smoked ingredients. These are just a few examples of the regional diversity in Chinese cuisine. Each region, with its unique geography and resources, has developed its own distinct culinary style. From the light and fresh flavors of Cantonese cuisine to the bold and spicy notes of Sichuan, from the hearty seafood dishes of Shandong to the smoky and spicy fare of Hunan. Chinese cuisine offers a world of flavors to explore. Indeed, the vastness of China contributes to its rich culinary diversity. Rice and noodles, ever thought about how integral they are in Chinese dishes? These two humble ingredients form the backbone of Chinese cuisine. Rice, a symbol of life and fertility, is a staple food that has been feeding China for thousands of years. It's versatile, used in everything from main dishes to desserts. Let's shift gears to noodles, another pillar of Chinese gastronomy. They're not just a quick fix for hunger, but also a canvas for culinary creativity. Wheat noodles, often served in a hot, soothing broth, are a comfort food for many. Rice noodles, delicate and light, are perfect for soaking up the flavors of a stir-fry. And then there are cellophane noodles, transparent threads made from starch that add an interesting texture to dishes. Thus, in Chinese cuisine, rice and noodles are not just sides, they are central to the gastronomy. Have you ever tried a bite-sized piece of heaven called dim sum? Welcome to the enchanting world of dim sum, a culinary tradition that has been a cornerstone of Chinese cuisine for centuries. In the bustling streets of Guangzhou or the quiet tea houses of Hong Kong, you'll find dim sum in all its glory. An array of bite-sized morsels, each one a tiny parcel of flavor, is served traditionally in bamboo steamer baskets or on petite plates. Dim sum, which translates to touch the heart, indeed touches your soul with its variety and depth of flavors. From the delicate har gao, a translucent shrimp dumpling, to the flavorful siomai, a steamed dumpling typically filled with pork and shrimp, each dim sum dish is a testament to the artistry of Chinese cooking. But the repertoire of dim sum extends beyond dumplings. Take char siu bao, for instance. These are light, fluffy, steamed buns filled with sweet and savory barbecued pork. The contrasting textures of the soft bun and the tender filling within make it a delightful experience. And then there are the rice noodle rolls, known as cheong fun. These silky rolls, filled with shrimp, beef or vegetables, are served with a drizzle of sweet soy sauce, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Not to forget the sweet treats. Egg custard tarts with their flaky pastry and creamy filling, or the subtly sweet sesame seed balls filled with red bean paste round off the dim sum experience on a delightful note. Dim sum is not just about food. It's an experience, a tradition. It brings people together to share, to chat, to savor. It's a celebration of the simple joy of eating, where every bite brings a burst of flavor and a smile of contentment. Dim sum, an exquisite culinary art form, is a testament to the finesse in Chinese cuisine. It's a journey of flavors, a feast for the senses, and a reflection of the rich tapestry that is Chinese food culture. So, next time you're tempted by a bite-sized piece of heaven, remember, that's dim sum for you. Ever savored the crispy skin of a Peking duck? This iconic dish hails from Beijing, the capital city of China, and is a testament to the culinary heritage of this great nation. Peking duck isn't just about the duck, oh no, it's an entire experience. It all starts with a whole duck meticulously prepared and roasted to perfection. Its skin turns a beautiful glossy amber, so crispy that it practically crackles at the touch. But the magic doesn't stop there. The succulent meat is then traditionally sliced right at your table, a spectacle to be savored. The next part of the journey involves a thin, delicate pancake. It cradles a piece of the roasted duck, a dollop of sweet and tangy hoisin sauce, and a few slivers of fresh scallions. Fold it up and take a bite. The harmony of flavors and textures is simply sublime. Peking duck, a dish that showcases the flair in Chinese cooking. Ever sat around a simmering pot, cooking and chatting with friends? Welcome to the world of Chinese hot pot, a dish that's a social event as much as it is a meal. The hot pot is more than just a dish. It's an experience, a tradition, a way of life. From the bustling city of Chengdu in Sichuan to the chilly heights of the Tibetan Plateau, hot pot is a beloved treasure that transcends regional boundaries. At its core, the hot pot is a simmering pot of broth set in the center of the dining table, its aromatic steam rising and swirling, enveloping the room in a warm, inviting haze. But it's not just about the pot or the broth, it's about what you cook in it, and more importantly, who you share it with. Imagine a table laden with plates of thinly sliced meats, vibrant vegetables, and a variety of other ingredients just waiting to be cooked in the bubbling broth. There's beef, mutton, pork, and seafood, alongside tofu, mushrooms, and leafy greens. Each ingredient is chosen with care, prepared with precision, and added to the pot with anticipation. In Sichuan, the birthplace of many a hot pot, the broth often has a fiery red hue, a testament to the region's love for bold, spicy flavors. It's a sensory experience. The heat of the broth mirrored by the warmth of companionship around the table. The hot pot is a participatory dish, a communal event. Everyone gathers around, picks up their chopsticks, and cooks their food right at the table. It's a ballet of sorts, chopsticks dancing in and out of the pot, ingredients swirling, flavors melding. It's about the joy of cooking together, the thrill of watching your chosen ingredients transform in the broth, the shared laughter and stories that echo around the table. It's about the slow, leisurely pace, the relaxed conversation, the sense of togetherness that permeates the air. Hot pot, a dish that's not just about food, but about companionship and conversation. Ever noticed how soy-based products add a unique flavor to Chinese dishes? This humble legume has transformed into a plethora of culinary delights, each with its own role in the symphony of flavors that is Chinese cuisine. Take tofu, for instance. This versatile ingredient shines in a range of dishes, from the spicy mapo tofu of Sichuan to the silky smooth tofu pudding served as a sweet treat. Tofu's mild flavor makes it the perfect canvas for a variety of sauces and spices. Then there's soy sauce, the ubiquitous condiment that lends a rich umami flavor to stir-fries, marinades, and dips. Whether it's light or dark, soy sauce adds a layer of complexity that elevates any dish it touches. And let's not forget other soy-based products like tempeh, miso, and soy milk, each contributing a unique texture and flavor profile. Soy-based products, a key ingredient adding depth and aroma to Chinese dishes. Ever strolled down a Chinese street, tantalized by the aroma of local snacks? Imagine yourself there embarking on a gustatory adventure. Chinese street food offers an array of vibrant flavors and textures, a culinary kaleidoscope that mirrors the diversity of its people and cultures. Picture biting into a jianbing, a savory crepe, its crispy exterior giving way to a soft, flavorful filling. Now, imagine the surprise of your taste buds as you try stinky tofu. Its strong aroma may challenge your senses, but its unique taste rewards the brave. From skewers of sizzling meats to bowls of comforting congee, from fluffy bao buns to spicy Sichuan wontons, every street corner serves as a new chapter in this edible story. Every bite, every sip is a testament to China's rich culinary heritage, a celebration of traditions passed down generations. Chinese street food, a gastronomic adventure waiting at every corner.